Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you people can understand in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise, you'll understand in a better way, because many a time what happens, if you see first video, second video, then 18th video, then 24th video, you get confused. So if you come 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand in a better way, friends. Okay. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay. So in our last video, I've covered the topic called why don't all soul who have passed away communicate with their loved ones? Don't all souls want to ease the pain and suffering of their loved ones on the earth? So this was the last topic which we have covered. And in today's topic, I'm going to cover the concept called what are the benefits of automatic writing. Okay. So as you know, friends, we are covering the automatic writing series and this is the last video of the series of the automatic writing. Okay. So I will start, friends. Okay. Uh, so here total 6 pointers are given, basically the benefits of automatic writing. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will explain it to you, all the 6 pointers, friends. Okay. What Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari. Good spirit, soul, and people on earth are given this gift for spiritual progress and selfless service. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari that those who are good soul in the earth world and even in the spirit world, so they get this opportunity of automatic writing. It is a selfless service, right? It is not a selfish service, friends. It's a completely selfless service. This was the first pointer. Now let's see what is in the second pointer. Automatic writing is a spiritual practice wherein spirit soul provide guidance to earth soul. However, this guidance may just be a hint, so one should not be dependent on it totally. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari that automatic writing is a guidance, basically, where the spirit soul give a guidance to earth soul, and this guidance can be just a hint. For example, if I am thinking I should do a particular work or not, so I may get a hint, yeah, you go for it, or you may not go for it. But we should completely do not rely on that, rely on what hint is coming. We should have confidence in ourselves and we should do good karma, and definitely God is there and good spirit souls are there to look after us, friends. Now there is a third statement, third number point. Spirit soul help the earth soul to go through their test, training and karma bravely and smilingly. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari that spirit soul help us to complete, to go through our test, training and our karma bravely. So friends, as I always say, this earth is our training institute and we soul come here for our spiritual development, friends. Okay. So it is very important for us to complete our spiritual journey in a very smiling way, in a happy way, to face off our karma, to clear the test, and to get the training done. Okay. They also help the earth soul to find his or her spiritual mission. So here the spirit soul also help to us earth soul to find our spiritual mission. So exactly what is our spiritual mission? Why we are being sent in this earth? So every soul have certain goal in their life. So our work is to find that goal for the purpose which are being sent to this life, with spirit soul help us. So now fourth statement is there, friends. Okay. Spirit soul convey the true laws of God Almighty to earth soul. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari that the spirit soul convey the true Almighty, true God laws to the earth soul. Whatever is a true laws, that true laws is conveyed by God Almighty to us. Now the fifth statement will come. During the process of automatic writing, the spirit soul provide healing to the earth soul. So here Vipsi and Ratu, this is a very important statement, friend. Fifth statement. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari that during the process of automatic writing, the spirit soul also provide the healing to the earth soul. So it is like offer one buy one get one free. So we are doing one thing of spiritual automatic writing, and we are getting another gift of spiritual healing. Now comes the last statement, friend. This is sixth statement. It also opens the subconscious mind more and more. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that it opens our subconscious mind more and more. So more and more we are in a receptive position, that our subconscious mind is open. We can take better decision in our life. We can think what is correct, what is wrong, and our life will be in a better way, friends. Okay. So this came to end of our today's topic, and this in today's video I have covered the topic called what are the benefits of automatic writing. So in the next video I will be covering the spirit world, right? And friends, as this topic of automatic writing came to an end, now from tomorrow, from next video I will be covering the concept called spirit world, friends. Okay. So till then, as I always say, friends, this book is this big and I cannot complete this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video, so people can understand in a better way, friends. Okay. And do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And friends, what I was telling, if you have any doubts, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because see, I read to each and every comment and I answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And you can do one thing, you can directly message me on Instagram. You can connect me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It is ABHIMANYUBHATTTACHARJEE 1906. So any doubts you have, you directly connect with me on Instagram. You can ask me doubts. I will definitely try to solve your doubts, right? So friends, let's do good karma. Let's help others. Let always be positive in our life. Let always do positive karma in our life, and make sure that everybody is happy in this earth world. And it is very important for us to take messages from the spirit world via automatic writing. And friends, I always recommend this book to you to read, because this book have this book will change your life. This book will give you a new way. You can see your life in a new way, like in a 360-degree dimension, what I always say, right? Because many a time what we think we see our life in a particular way, right? But this book will make us understand that there is reason for everything. If today there is something happening in our life, or today when if you're seeing this video of mine, so there is a reason. God Almighty wants you to see my video, or for a particular reason everything is happening. So do not afraid. Always be cool, be in godly path, and God is always there to help us. Okay, friends, this bring end to our video. Till then, goodbye. Stay blessed, stay happy, and I will meet you in the next video, friends. Okay, till then, goodbye.